no further ado, let's jump right in.
Of course. One thing I'd always like to say that you taught me is like being able to have you see me or tell me how you see me was where this matching was planted.
Yes, that is very, very important. So important that is. So the main thing when it comes to brand mapping here is you have to feel it this should be an extension of you. That is so important, and that's why from the very beginning I've told you I was very glad that you told me all of this, and then now let's do it. A lot of people start with the ICP, whereas I start with who are you? What kind of a person are you? Because that is very, very important, because that is the fundamental of this. Without you, there is no brand. So that's why, I know a little bit about you because we've been chatting and all of that. And, you're very simple, someone who's, but someone who's got big dreams. When I say big dreams, it's not about making millions. I know you have other big dreams, and, you're laser focused, and you and me have this in common. We want to design life.
Yes.
So we want to design work around our life and not the other way around. And, I know you're a value stacker. That's why you use the words you use, the stack case and all of that. So, and then having $1 million mindset. When I say $1 million mindset, is the giving mindset, being abundant, and all of that. And then we spoke about who your ideal clients were, definitely coaches, solopreneurs, business owners. And then we wanted to, and this is what normally people stop there with. This is something that everybody can also use. Understand the psychology behind each of them. Who are those coaches? Who are those solopreneurs? What is it that they have? They might be dreamers. They might be value givers. And then again, value stackers, dreamers. Try to understand that aspect of your ideal clients as well, because that is, if you see an alignment there from you and your ideal clients, make sure you also bring it inside your branding at some point. And I'll show you how we've done that for Jacob. And I know in 2024, as you said, you want to move from, you're having a more of an idea of working with visionaries, bigger solopreneurs who have bigger dreams, mega values, and big transformations. And with someone with a high ticket mindset, you want to attract more of those kind of people, and those are the people who you also want to work with. You're going to have multiple levels of business that you're going to build, going so on and so forth, starting 2024. That's all I can reveal right now. So those were the few things that we discussed. Of course, we went through a lot more, but I'm just capping it here. So this was the immediate first things that we did. The first thing was, this is the framework that I want all of you all to use, is strategy, thinking, design, and then build your framework. Wherein with your strategy, first of all, try to understand you, what is your core, your why, and then go to who your ICP is, because both of that is necessary. And then your values, as Jacob said, he's very tuned to your values, so am I. And then your delivery, the way in which you deliver value, and then what are your perceptions, or what is the kind of perception that you want people to build. Your perception is also important, and how you want the other person to perceive you is also very important. I need to understand that as when developing your brand.